Starting with the topic amines. Amines are nothing but derivatives of ammonia NH3. Now, so far in organic chemistry, we have discussed about the acidity of organic compounds. In amines, we are going to discuss the basicity. Why we are going to discuss the basicity in chapter amines is because of this electron pair. We have done in class 11th what are bases. Bases are nothing but electron donors, right? Because a lone pair of electrons is freely present on the nitrogen atom of ammonia, ammonia is a good base. And because all amines are derivatives of ammonia, so all amines are referred to as good bases. Fine. Now, how they are referred to as the derivatives of ammonia? If this is the ammonia molecule, fine. First of all, I replace one hydrogen atom with R group. What do I get? RNH2, right? In this, my nitrogen atom is directly attached to only one carbon atom. So I refer to this as the primary amine. If I replace the other hydrogen atom also with an alkyl group, what do I get? R2NH. In this compound, my nitrogen atom is directly attached to two carbon atoms, so this will be called as a secondary amine. If I replace the third hydrogen atom also with the R group, what do I get? All the three hydrogen atoms are replaced and what I get is R3N. In this compound, the nitrogen atom is directly attached to three carbon atoms. So this will be called as the tertiary amine. So how do we find out, how do we figure out whether a particular amine is primary, secondary or tertiary? The easiest method is if there are two hydrogen atoms, that means you have the NH2 thing present in the compound, it will be primary. If you have only a single atom, that means you see NH in your compound, in your amine, it is a secondary amine. And if you do not see any hydrogen attached to the nitrogen atom in your amine, you only have the nitrogen atom, then it is called as the tertiary amine. For example, if I ask you whether this particular amine is primary, secondary or tertiary, how will you figure out? You have the NH2 group just like here. So this will be my primary amine. For example, you have this, which can also be written as CH3 whole twice NH. And if I ask you what kind of amine it is, because there is NH group present, so this is a secondary amine. Similarly, if I have this compound, which can also be written as then this will be called as my tertiary amine, because here my nitrogen atom is directly attached to three carbon atoms. So in amines, what the difference is, that for checking whether a particular amine is primary, secondary or tertiary, you have to see to how many carbon atoms the nitrogen is directly attached.